craving BANKU. Are you sharing money?
Just remember that you're the prize always. Say that one more time. Just remember that you are the prize.
Yes! Bye. I know your boss. You're welcome.
Nathan. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she said to me. Say me call it, and boy to me. I'm in the pool. In the bigger pool. That way. I wanna see you. Still, but I wanna be so you come.
Well, nice.
Tell me what you want. I'm in the pool. In the bigger pool.
The more at night they me and they close and I'm going back home. I'm starving, I'm hungry, and right now all the food available is this KFC and Pizza Man. But I am craving BANKU. So what are we gonna do? It's not as if I'm hungry, but I'm craving BANKU. You see why this tummy can never go down.
That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she said to me. Say me call it, and boy to me. I'm in the pool. In the big pool. That way.
It's tough for us. Some it's tough fish. I know no fish. I went to hunt for BANKU. I've been craving BANKU since yesterday. I went to hunt for BANKU and you saw me buying BANKU. Like, it looks so good. I hope it tastes so good as well. So I'm going to dive into it. So this is the BANKU all wrapped. So like, how on earth am I going to eat all of this? But I'm sure I'm going to eat like half of it. But and this is the fish. Okay. So it's a lot. It's a lot, baby. It's we have here tilapia. This is tilapia and this is salmon. Yeah, a lot of fish. Yeah. Normally, I know somebody will cook soup that will be consumed by like 3 people with this fish, and it's be consumed in 2 days with this fish. But I mean, chamenum kakra, okay? I mean, chamenum kakra, and yes, I mean, chamenum kakra. So, you see, on the chamenum, on my chamenum way. I love the pepper. This is why I love my pepper. I love pepper. I eat a lot of pepper. There's another pepper here for the BANKU. This pepper is for the fish. So double pepper. I love it. That's how we love it here. A lot of pepper. And see, Yendi BANKU, you are all invited. I've washed my hands, in case you're wondering. I've washed my hands. Let's dig into the BANKU. I love it. After the food, I was feeling nauseated, but now it's kind of better because of the fish. I think I had too much fish, so I was feeling nauseated, but it's okay now. So I plan on going to get some drinks tonight because I've not gone out. I've not had a night out ever since I came, but my body doesn't want to go out. But I'm craving prosecco or some veggie mojito, but the body does not want to go out, so I'm going to sleep because tomorrow I'll be going to Sandbox. So I'm definitely going to get my prosecco or mojito at Sandbox tomorrow, Sandbox Beach Club tomorrow. So I will suspend the mojito or prosecco for tonight. I'll suspend it to tomorrow. So right now I put on this shirt, I changed my shirt and even put on some black skirts. Yeah, I'm going to get mosquito coil because the way mosquitoes are finishing me, like just from the time that I was eating till now, I've been beaten by mosquitoes like 6 times already. The way I hate malaria with all my heart, because when I get malaria I don't get sick. The only time I get sick is malaria, okay? The only thing that makes me sick, malaria, mosquitoes. So I hate malaria so much that I do not mess with mosquitoes. But I've been bitten 6 times already and I am so scared I'm going to get malaria, but I know God will take care of me. So I'm going to get what do you call it? I'm going to buy mosquito coil I don't know if I'm going to get one right now. So I'm going to get mosquito coil and come and light it in the room. Then I'll sleep. I'll take a shower and sleep. Okay. If I tell you that I'm so scared of mosquitoes, I know you will not understand, because within 1 month I've treated malaria twice and it was that bad. It was really bad. Like, in fact, I just finished treating the second cycle of malaria last week. I do not want to have anything to do with malaria for the rest of this year. I'm going to get mosquito coil. Hopefully these 6 bites that I've gotten will not get me another episode of malaria. I'm praying and hoping that God takes care of these 6 bites that I've gotten from mosquitoes. Like, my thighs are swollen. Like, the places they bite me are swollen. Like, that's how I get to know that they've bitten me.
You got the trust man. Where you got the trust man? You got the trust man. Where you got the trust man? Your go see where to your match, not go fit talk. Your go see where to your